Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Second, criminal negligence. Any conduct of a doctor can be booked under the sections 336, 337, 338 and 304A IPC. In civil negligence, the patient directly approaches the court demanding the compensation, whereas in criminal negligence, the patient approaches the police and a case is filed by the police. Section 336 IPC. In Section 336 IPC, any rash or negligent act which is threatening or endangering the life of the patient. In such cases, Section 336 IPC comes into play. For example, if the doctor conducts the delivery under the influence of alcohol and this has resulted in death of the patient, or this has resulted in a life threatening issue, that is 336 IPC. Section 337 IPC. Section 337 IPC, any rash or negligent act causing hurt to the patient. If there is hurt to the patient, then punishment will be up to 6 months or 500 rupees or both. Section 338 IPC. Any rash or negligent act causing grievous injury to the patient. If there is grievous injury to the patient, then punishment is given up to 2 years or 1000 rupees fine, or both can be given. For example, grievous injury, if there is grievous injury, for example, if the doctor operated on the wrong patient or wrong eye resulting in grievous injury, that is 338 IPC. 304A IPC. According to 304A IPC, any rash or negligent act causing death of the patient, in this case the doctor is imprisoned up to 2 years.
thank you and thank you for watching.